Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop? Thoughts keep coming, one after another. And no matter what you do, you can't feel calm. So how do you actually quiet your mind? In seconds? Buddha gave a very simple answer. There's a story. One day, a monk came to Buddha and said, "My mind is restless. I can't control my thoughts." Buddha asked him to sit beside a small pond. He said, "Stir the water with your hand." The monk did it, and the water became muddy. Then Buddha said, "Now stop and just watch." After a few moments, the dirt slowly settled, and the water became clear again. Buddha said, "Your mind is like this water. When you keep reacting, thinking, forcing it to be calm, it only becomes more disturbed. But when you stop and simply observe, it settles on its own." The monk understood. That's the truth. You don't calm your mind by fighting your thoughts. You calm it by not interfering. So next time your mind feels restless, don't panic. Pause, take a slow breath, and just watch your thoughts pass. Because calmness is not something you create, it's something that appears when you stop disturbing it. If this helped you slow down, subscribe to Insight of Buddha.